Today, I would like to introduce to you a product called YJ-04-B. This machine has 4 functions. The first one, this machine can reduce noise. After testing, the sound of this machine is below 75 decibels. Second, this machine has the function of removing static electricity. After testing, 1000 volts of voltage in 0.5 seconds can be reduced to below 100 volts. The third function, this machine is equipped with an exhaust system, just generated during flux cleaning. It can be connected to the customer production line exhaust system, avoiding secondary pollution caused by the production line. The fourth function, some solder draws may be present during the cleaning process, and some residues in this storage box. Now I will introduce the usage of this machine. First, this machine needs to be connected to power and plug it in. This machine needs to be connected to the dry ice pipe and screw in the dry ice pipe joint, and it's done. As supply hose connection required, the standard length of this air hose is 4 meters. Insert one end of the air hose into the machine's connector. The other end, plug tightly at the trachea joint connected to the customer's production line. Pay special attention to the main pipeline of the customer's production line should be larger than the diameter of the trachea. The air supply hose has an outer diameter of 16 millimeters. If the diameter of the trachea is smaller than the diameter of the intake pipe, it will cause insufficient flow. This line is the grounding wire on the machine. Must be connected to the grounding conductor of the customer's production line. Now you can add ice. When adding ice, be sure to wear gloves. This dry ice insulated shipping container is made by a listed company. Its daily evaporation rate is 5%. It contains 65% dry ice per. Open the hatch. Put the dry ice into the ice slot. Push it to the left end and cover the lid. The operation method of the machine. First, press the start switch. This frequency converter is used to adjust the output power. The 2 buttons above cannot be moved. If you press it, it will cause the machine to not work. Only the knob below it can be adjusted. Its ice output ranges from 0 to 50 units. Under normal operating conditions, when cleaning the PCBA, adjust ice production to 15 units. Must not exceed 20 units. This pneumatic tubing supplies air to the electrostatic bar. Special attention. This pressure relief valve. When pushed to the innermost end, ventilation is active. Pull it back to the top to deflate. There is no gas. Insert the connector into the production line's interface. This panel has 2 pressure gauges, the first and second. These 2 pressure regulators control the airflow to the electrostatic neutralization bars. When adjusting the air pressure, pull it at 5 millimeters. Turning right increases the air pressure, and left rotation is to reduce the pressure. The minimum working air pressure is 0.2 megapascals. This pressure regulator, they regulate the working air pressure of the dry ice blasting gun. When adjusting, you must first step on the pedal. Turning right increases the air pressure, and left rotation is to reduce air pressure. When cleaning PCBA, its minimum working pressure is 0.2 megapascals. According to different products, it is adjusted and designed. The switch is a blowing switch. It has 2 application scenarios. Before working, turn the air switch to the right. Step on the pedal. Blow for 15 seconds. Vent the dry ice line to eliminate residual water vapor, and then blow it back. The other is continuous operation for 1 hour. You also need to blow for 15 seconds. When it doesn't work, check if the nozzle is blocked. Rotate the nozzle tip and see if there is dry ice inside, or blocked. If it is blocked, gently knock it, and the dry ice will come out. Then put the gun head back on. When cleaning normally, first, press the full pedal. And clean back and forth.